Boys na yun ah. So today guys, it's gonna be wait. Pa-English pa ako. Huwag na. Makakainis ang mag-English. No, ako lang sounds. Alam mo kasi. No more shine. Bro. Like a butterbeer. Ay, no. Uy, ano yan? Meron ng gatuan. And like for this dinosaur. This is not a dinosaur. Okay, guys. Let's open. Let's go to gambling. Gamble. I mean spin. Oh, dang it. There's spam. Click. Click. Hindi ba nakikita? Spamming click. I need to get the stores, guys. Like, I really need some princess guys. Shit. Shiver. Oh God! I always daan the Look, I just run away. I just passed through the. A gear shop and seed shop. Sure. Like chat. Chat now on some Robux. Sige. Just kidding. Chat, I don't have Robux. Hindi, shekels. So, I'm gonna give out some free. Not free, I'm just gonna trade it for. Something good with this. I'm gonna trade my Spring Canyon. It's called Spriggan. I have double Spriggan.
Pagpunta ka lang sa friends, tapos may ka daw ng
And okay guys, so we just get our server hop. When I'm also done. Get out of this room. just go back mamaya. Mamaya.
Okay.
So guys, we're gonna like this episode. So you gotta like this video because I always palabas ko dala si kuya mo kay ano nagawin ko. Sige. Bukas lang din, nakalimutan ko. Ulitin mo, Res. Ano ulit tayo? Sira niya, Res. Stop mo na.